Smith & Wesson SWA 24S is a tactical folding knife designed for the rigors of EDC carry. Perfect for constant use. The 3.1-inch serrated 7CR17 high-carbon stainless steel clip-point blade excels at slicing through just about any material. The black aluminum handle has strategically placed jimping and finger cutouts for a secure grip. Open the blade by way of the ambidextrous thumb knobs and the index flipper. This is the Smith & Wesson SWA 24S Extreme Ops Liner Lock Folding Knife, a quality tool designed for your most demanding needs.
Ever notice that the best advice usually involves some sort of decisive action? Take on the world, seize the day, grab life by the horns. Maybe it's because the guys who say things worth listening to aren't the type to humbly accept whatever life hands them. Instead, they choose to craft reality with their own hands. There's a pride in doing that some folks don't or won't understand. But if you do, if you're one of those types who knows the satisfaction of solving your own problems and of being well prepared and well equipped, then you're one of us. And you're among good company. At CRKT, we work alongside the most innovative designers in the world, people who share our passion for purpose, to consistently deliver the tools and knives that shape the industry. We're proud to be an American company. We were born in Oregon, so naturally our products tend to take after the place we've called home for the past 20 years. At first glance, it's all jaw-dropping, eye-popping beauty. But get up close and you'll realize there's another side, the business side. The don't you ever underestimate me side. It's why guys who choose CRKT knives and tools can, frankly, be a little particular about them. They know that there's just something right about holding the perfect tool in your hands. And once you've felt that connection, it's hard to accept anything less.
The Teancious is the flagship of Spyderco's incredibly popular Value Folder series of knives. It proudly offers all the features and benefits that define a Spyderco Clip-It in an extremely affordable format. The heart of the design is its full flat ground blade, which is crafted from 8CR13 MOV stainless steel and includes a fully accessible trademark round hole for swift, ambidextrous one-handed opening. The blade is paired with an ergonomic handle constructed with full skeletonized stainless steel liners and peel-ply textured G10 scales. The skeletonized liners provide the foundation for its sturdy liner lock mechanism and also anchor its versatile 4-position pocket clip. In its standard configuration, the Teancious sports a satin-finished blade and polished handle hardware. For tactical applications, it is also available with a black oxide blade coating and matching black-coated hardware. Both the satin and black blades are available in plain edge or combination edge, and the satin blade comes in a fully serrated spider edge format as well.
Alright, hello, welcome, good day. Time for another Blade HQ overview. Gonna take a second look at the Urban Trapper as they've introduced several new handle material versions and point out a few minor differences from the original, which is this one right here. And this is the original, designed by Brad Zinker. And this is a all titanium frame lock, and that's gonna be one of the bigger differences, the fact that this one's a frame lock. The new versions are going to be liners. However, the liners are still titanium. You're just getting a liner lock rather than the frame lock. Next up, the pocket clip. They've changed that a little bit. You can see it doesn't have quite a wide of a flare, and it's not quite as deep, though. Still relatively deep. In fact, let me give you a shot of that in the pocket. So as you can see, that is the new version right next to the original. Alrighty, so that's what it looks like when you are carrying those knives. They all still come with this nice VG tin steel and riding on that ball bearing pivot system. Really nice smooth action. These all feel exceptional, but as you can see with this one, has that very high polished mirror finish. These new ones have a little bit more of a satin, a little bit more matte finish. And before I show you the new handle materials, overall length on all of these are going to be the same, 7 3/4 of an inch with a 3.5 inch blade. All right, so what are these new handle materials you can get? Well, of course, the old standby G10, if you like that. And then check out that blade. Like I said, a little bit more matte, Definitely more of a satin rather than that mirror finish. If you like carbon fiber, they offer you a carbon fiber version. Again, all of these are really light. There is some variance in the weight, but they come in roughly about 1.7 ounces. Lastly, if you like the natural look, Cocobolo wood would be your option. The grain patterns are all going to be different, obviously. But there you go. Good feeling in the hand. If you're interested in adding one of these to your collection, I really think you should. Good night on the town kind of knife, or just more a slim minimalist style.
This is the Quadrant from Gerber. Standing out in a crowd is one thing. Having the toughness to back it up is another. And this knife does both. A finger flip makes it easy to open, and a frame lock delivers peace of mind when the straight edge sheep's foot blade is in use. It's available with a bamboo or G10 composite handle scale. The Quadrant is where form and function intersect.